Faraday's first law. I will explain you here. Faraday's first law. First law. Repeat with me. Repeat with me. Flux change to EMF induced. Repeat with me. Flux change, EMF induced. Repeat. Flux change, EMF induced. Flux change, EMF induced. Flux change, EMF induced. The first law is whenever there is change in magnetic flux, EMF is induced. EMF means what? Electromotive force. I will write here. That's it. This is the first law. Whenever there will be change in magnetic flux, EMF is induced. Whenever there will be change in magnetic flux, EMF will be induced. Okay? Okay? Yes, whenever there is change in magnetic flux, EMF will be induced. Once more. Whenever there is change in magnetic flux, EMF will be induced. These laws can be asked for 2 marks. Okay, these laws can be asked for 2 marks. Whenever there will be change in magnetic flux, not this one. There are 2 laws, na? First and second one. For explaining first and second one with their mathematical description, you can get the 2 marks. Okay, now the second one. Second law. I hope you learned the first one. What was the first one? Whenever there is change in magnetic flux, EMF will be induced. Once more. Whenever there is change in magnetic flux, EMF will be induced. Now, the second one. Second one is, I will not write the statement whether, but thereby I will just give you the mathematical expression and you will understand what is the second law. Second law is as simple as, you know what is E? What is E? E is electromotive force. You know what is this? A fish-like structure. What is this? Yes, this is proportionality sign. Okay. You know what is this? This is phi. You know what is this? D by dt. What is the meaning of d by dt? Change with respect to time. Okay. We can name this part as rate of change of flux. If you remember this thing, you will remember the statement. The second law states that electromotive force is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. Once more. Okay, once more. Yeah. Yes. So, second law states that electromotive force is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. Once more. Last time. Okay. What is this? Electromotive force. This fish-like structure is what? That is directly proportional sign. And what is this? This is rate of change of flux. Rate of change of flux. So second law states that, that's it. This is your second law. Second law states that magnitude of induced EMF is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. Magnetic flux. Okay. If you remove proportionality sign, everyone knows what will come. What will come? Yes, there will be a constant. Coincidentally, ittifaq say that constant value is 1. So you will use this, you will that will be 1, and after removing this proportionality sign, there will be a negative sign. Why this negative sign? That will be explained in Lenz's law. Still, this negative sign, before giving just a brief into just uh, telling you that this negative sign will indicate that EMF production and flux change are opposite to each other. I know you will not understand here. Yes. So for that, we have to go for in Lenz's law. This is your negative sign. This negative sign will be explained by Lenz's law. See, Faraday only gives this formula. Faraday told that E is equal to d phi by dt. That's it. After 55 years, Lenz came and he told, use this negative sign. I will explain you why this negative sign is. Okay, so that negative sign, the significance of that negative sign will study in the Lenz law only. This is just because, just for the timing, just understand, because there was a the orientation direction difference between electromotive force and change in magnetic flux. That's why we introduced this negative sign. Okay. So in this topic, what was our main goal? Our main goal was to study the two laws. What are the two laws? First law is, whenever there is change in magnetic flux, EMF is induced. Whenever there is change in magnetic flux, EMF is induced. What is second law? Second law states that electromotive force is directly proportional to rate of change of magnetic flux. And what does this negative sign indicate? Thus just the opposite direction of induced EMF and the change in flux. That will be explained in your Lenz law. Okay? Yes. Yes. Let's solve this numerical. Actually, the question is like this. Question is like this. This 3 is cube form. This is square form. That's it. Okay. Now, please try and solve this type of question. What we have? Please, everyone, try to solve this question and give me the right answer. Okay, so the question is, magnetic flux in closed circuit of resistance 20 ohm. Resistance is how much? Resistance is 20 ohms. Varies with time t. What is phi? Phi is equal to 4t cube minus 2t square minus 15t plus 3. Calculate the magnitude of induced EMF. At a time what? At a time t is equal to 1 second. This is the question. Question is, we have change of flux, we have resistance, we have to find E for time t. Anyone comes up with the right answer? Okay. Okay, this is the solution for that. We have I hope you people can see the explanation on the screen. We have everyone, please let me know you people are able to see the solution on the screen. Yes, we have resistance in flux. We have to find E. It will be rate of change of flux with respect to time. You just have to differentiate, and then whilst by substituting the value of T, you will get the final answer. Okay, yes, I will solve it for you. If the explanation part is not visible, I will solve it for you. Okay, so we have to find induced EMF. So what is the formula for induced EMF? Induced EMF is d phi by dt. So this will be equal to d by dt of, what is phi? 4t cube plus 2t square minus 15t plus 3. So this will be equal to what? 4 common, t cube will be equal to what? T cube will be equal to 4t, 3t square plus 2. What is t square? 2t minus 15. And derivative of 3 will be what? It will be 0. What is 14 3s are? 4 3s are 12t square plus 4t minus 15. At a time what? At time t is equal to 1. This will be equal to 12. In place of t1, 4. In place of t1, this will be equal to 12 plus 4 minus 15. What is 12 plus 4? 16. 16 minus 15. 16 minus 15. It will be what? It will be 1. Let me check. There is some 3t square, 2t minus 15. 4 3s are 12t square plus 4t minus 15. So this will be equal to, here t value is, so this will be 12 plus 4 minus 15. Let me check 4t square. I think there is some problem in the question. Okay, check it, you will get the answer. See what is E. E is equal to d phi by dt. 4t square will be equal to 3 4s are 12t square plus 2 2s are 4t minus 15. So this will be equal to 12, 1 plus 4 minus 15. 12 plus 4 will be 16. 16 minus 15 will be 1 volt. So I will change the option. Yes. So the option will be A. I think there was some typing mistake here. Okay. So the answer will be what? Your answer will be option A, that is 1 volt. Okay. I will check and update in the portal.